Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy fractional shares on Thinkorswim. First, understand that fractional shares let you own a piece of a company without buying a full share, making investing more accessible. This is especially useful for high-value stocks. We'll walk through the steps to place an order, ensuring you can start investing with smaller amounts and diversify your portfolio effectively. It's a great way to begin your investment journey. To begin, open your Thinkorswim platform and head over to the Trade tab. Here, you'll search for the stock or ETF you're interested in. Instead of buying a specific number of shares, you'll select the buy option and then input the exact dollar amount you want to invest. For example, you could choose to invest $50 into a stock, and Thinkorswim will automatically calculate the fractional share amount for you. This simplifies the process considerably. Before finalizing your purchase, carefully review all the order details. The platform will show you the estimated fractional share quantity based on your dollar investment. Double-check the total dollar amount and any potential commission fees, though many fractional trades are commission-free. Once everything looks correct and you're satisfied, simply click Confirm and Send to place your order. Your fractional shares will then be added to your portfolio, helping you grow your investments. Keep in mind that fractional share orders are usually executed as market orders, meaning they'll fill at the current market price. Also, consider setting up dividend reinvestment to automatically purchase more fractional shares, compounding your returns over time. This strategy can significantly boost your long-term investment growth. For more great deals, and to check out the darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.